Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix iPhone not charging. So guys, if you have this type of problem, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you need to check the port of your charging on your iPhone. So here you can see this is the port of my iPhone. So first of all, you need to clean it with any toothpick or toothbrush. So after cleaning, your problem will be fixed. So the second method is you need to clean the charging cable of your iPhone. Here you can see, so first of all you need to clean the both part of this charging cable. So you can clean it with toothbrush or toothpick as well. So after cleaning it, you need to clean the main your adapter. So here you can see this is the adapter of my iPhone. So you need to clean this part of charger. You need to clean it, and after cleaning it, your problem will be fixed. And the fourth method is you need to update your iPhone. Maybe this problem is occurred due to update. So first of all you need to open your settings and scroll it down. Click on general, click on software update, and make sure that your iPhone or iPad is up to date to latest iOS version. So if your phone is not updated, maybe this problem is occurred due to update. So first of all you need to update your iPhone.